Faceless TikTok is one of the easiest ways to make $1,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 online. The best part, you don't have to show your face, you don't have to show your home, and you don't have to learn any fancy editing. And if you're new to this is how it works. Instead of being the star of the video, you use trending topics, smart scripts, and automation tools to create content that drives views and sales around the clock. In this video, I'm breaking down 8 powerful tools, some AI, some completely free, that can help you create full-blown TikTok videos without ever having to show your face. I'll show you how to turn text into videos, how to find trending topics that get views, and I'll show you real channels that are crushing it with views. And here's the complete workflow. 4 research tools to find trending topics, and 4 creation tools that will turn those trending topics into viral videos. No filming, no editing, and no showing your face if you don't want to. The research tools are Answer the Public for trending topics, Google Trends for longevity to see if your ideas break out and to see if it's evergreen or just a trending topic, Google Keyword Planner for keyword research, and TikTok Creator Insights for all the platform data. For the creation tools, we'll use ChatGPT for scripts and lists. We'll use Captions AI to generate videos from a simple text. We'll also use InVideo AI to generate videos from text. And then I'll show you Canva and how you can add videos and add text and graphics as overlays. This entire process will take you less than 30 minutes per video once you know the system. So let me show you exactly how each tool works. So tool 1 is Answer the Public, and it actually finds what people are asking about your niche. If you type in a broad topic, you'll get back hundreds of questions related to your niche. You can then use those questions to answer in your videos. The best part of this is the questions are already being searched, so you're just matching the demand. An example is if you type in house cleaning tips and you want to see any questions that pop up related to cleaning and tips to clean. So your Faceless channel is probably going to be something cleaning related. You can see here that we have over 1,600 results, and you can see it pulls directly from Google. Then if you go down farther, you'll see that it creates different types of questions. The 20-minute rule in cleaning. What is the 5x5 method? You can answer all of these questions in your Faceless content. If you keep scrolling down, you'll see other indicators and other searches that are being conducted. House cleaning tips for dog owners, house cleaning tips for ADHD. These are all niches that you can expand on inside your Faceless channel. Down at the very bottom, it puts it in alphabetical order. You can literally just plug in all of these and start creating all of these videos tonight. You can spend the weekend and batch your content and have 3 videos a week for the next 4 or 5 months. You'll never be short of topics if you use Answer the Public. Export the data, filter for questions that are emotional triggers. Why, how, what happens if. These questions are pre-validated content ideas that people are actively searching for. Tool number 2 is Google Trends, and it tells you if something's going up, down, steady, or breakout, which means it flatlined and is starting to skyrocket. Upload your Answer the Public keywords to see which topics are gaining momentum, which ones are dying out, and which ones are breaking out. Look for topics that have an upward trends for around 3 to 6 months. I would avoid anything that looks like it's peaked or is trending down. You want to ride the wave up. You don't want to catch it when it's falling. An example is cleaning while old. You'll look and see that it is trending upward and has some small peaks since November of 2016, and it looks like it's still climbing up. You can play around with these keywords to see what is actually being searched for and how to identify your specific topic. And Keyword Planner shows volume and competition. And honestly, the sweet spot for Faceless creators is a decent volume and low competition. Target keywords with 10,000 to 100,000 monthly searches. Higher than that, it gets too competitive, and lower than that, you don't have enough searches to go viral. Then you'll filter for low competition keywords for your topic. And these become your content pillars, which are the topics that you create multiple videos around. And tool number 4 is the TikTok Creator Insights. TikTok Creator Insights shows what's performing well on the platform right now. And this is insider information that most creators ignore. You'll go to Creators Insight, you'll check trending topics in your niche. You'll see what video formats that are performing the best and getting the most engagements. You have text over speech, you'll have carousels, you can have animations. Study the top performing Faceless videos in your niche. What hooks do they use? What format? What length? This becomes your content template. Save the keywords, note the video styles, and screenshot high performing hooks. You're building a swipe file for proven content formulas. And now for the content creation tools. tools. We'll put all of that research into the scripts, and ChatGPT is perfect for this. ChatGPT will handle all of the text. You just have to have the right prompts. So tool number 1 is ChatGPT. Some proven prompt structures are: give me 5 tips for cleaning your house if you're a pet owner. Give me 5 hacks for cleaning up hair out of your kitchen. Or you can just have a prompt that writes a 60-second TikTok script with your topic. It can be pet owner cleaning. It could be elderly cleaning. Make sure it starts with a pattern interrupt hook, includes 3 specific tips, and ends with a call to action for the comments. You can even feed ChatGPT your different topics and keywords and let it generate different scripts in different variations. You can ask for different hook styles, question hooks, shocking statement hooks, or story hooks. You should always request 3 to 5 variations per script for each topic. You can test different angles, and then you can see which different angle works best for your audience. Tool number 2 is Captions AI. Captions AI can turn a simple text sentence into a complete video. Upload your script, choose your format and your customizations, and get a finished video in minutes. Remember to go back to your TikTok formats from your research to see what best hits in your niche. Different niches like different video styles and content types. The AI will match video to your text automatically. It's like having a full video production team. You can even customize it after it's done producing the video. You can even add in your business logo, your text overlay. You can put a story over it if you wanted it to be muted, or you can even add music to it. Tool number 3, InVideo AI. InVideo AI is very similar to Captions AI, except if you want to do Faceless YouTube and TikTok, it has the format, the 16:9. So this will help you create a video and you can convert it into the TikTok style, or you can convert it into the YouTube style, which is perfect for longer form content. You'll enter in your prompt, you'll put any hints that you would like. You can do sound effects, you can do a negative prompt, and then you click generate. And this is a video example.
If your couch is a total fur magnet and your carpet smells like, well, dog, this video is for you. Pet parents, let's hack your cleaning routine. Hack number 1, got fur everywhere? Grab a damp rubber glove, run it over fabric, hair sticks like magic. Number 2, sprinkle baking soda on pet beds. Let it sit.
Then you export it, upload it, and schedule it on your social media. And tool number 4 is Canva. Canva is a super multi-tool. You can choose between all of the videos that they already have on their site. You can generate other videos using AI. You can upload your own videos from you doing your own faceless content at your house. Once you upload all of your videos or you choose videos, you can add text or graphic overlays. You can add sound effects, audio, intro cards, outro cards, and other elements that help your brand become recognizable. If this system is making faceless content creation seem possible, don't forget to watch these other videos for more content ideas. And if you want to learn how to get monetized in your faceless channel before you get into the creator program, you can watch this video. And I hope these tools really demystified the faceless TikTok process for you, because honestly, it's one of the easiest ways to make money online. Now you have no excuses for posting content online because you don't have to show your face. Let me know which tool or process you liked the most in the comments. And if you're somebody that doesn't like to show your face, this is literally the easiest way to get started on TikTok. Zero pressure. And I hope you picked up something useful in this video. If you have any questions about AI or side hustles, let me know in the comments and maybe I'll do a deep dive. Let me know how I can help you start your side hustle or business journey. That's all for this time. Thanks for watching.